Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, I'm going to share my 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago. Let's get to it right now. Let's get to work. Today, I'm sharing my 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago, and we're going to change this Chevy Silverado 2002 2500 HD window regulator. We're going to do that right now. Why are we changing it? I have no idea. Take a look at this. That's why we're changing it right there. Too slow for me, too slow. You gotta do something, you gotta do it fast. Let's get to it right now. We're doing it fast. 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago. Okay, the first thing you wanna do with 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago, tape up your window. Right here, boom, boom, right there. That's all you need to do. Duct tape. Not Gorilla tape, duct tape. Okay, the next thing you wanna do, 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago, start pulling stuff off. You get one of these. There you go. Then you get around here, just start ripping stuff right out. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna take this off. Gotta take some screws out first. I'm gonna show you where them screws are. Okay, gotta take this off too. Then we gotta take this off. You see these wires here? You gotta take these wires off. You can't figure that out? Go to a shop. Take this one off, this one off, this one off. Okay, now we got some screws. I got one in here. Got to take that one off. And oh, right in there. Take that one off right there. And what do we got here? I got something down the bottom. You got right down here. Okay, 40 plus year experience. 40 plus years ago, bending down. You got to take this one out too. Okay, now let's take that panel off. Okay, you ready? 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago. Let's pull this baby off. That's it, all you have to do. You got a couple wires here to unhook, then we get right back to you. Okay, you ready? We're gonna take these screws out. I'll show you what screws you gotta take out right now. 10 millimeter. Let's get to it right now. There we go, I got them all highlighted. 1, 2, 3, 4. One in here, 5, 6, 7, 8. You gotta take them all out. This holds the regulator up right here, this one here, and this one here. So you have to take the window up so the window doesn't fall down and break your neck. Okay, here's the last one. Okay, 40 plus years experience and 40 plus years ago, we're gonna show you how to get that window regulator down. Make sure your window's taped up or you'll break your neck. Put all your wires back in. There you go, just as fast as that. Okay, now we're gonna take the regulator out. You gotta wrestle this heifer right out. You gotta twist her around. I'm gonna show you right now. It comes out so easy. Don't get frustrated because it comes out easy. One more try. Okay, you gotta wrestle with it a bit. Just like grab a hold of it and just get up. There you go. Good. There we are, right there. 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago. What am I stuffing back in there? There's the baby right there. Take a look at that right there. Dormant. Live free or die. Okay, here's a new baby right here. We're just gonna jam that thing right in there. 5 minutes, we'll come back. Well, there you go right there. 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago. Top tech. There we go right there. Okay, you get all kinds of nice instructions with the kit. If you want to figure out how to use these, well, just go right ahead. But I got 40 years experience from 40 plus years ago. Thanks for joining me here today. Come back again. Maybe next time we'll test a fuel pump. And that's 40 plus years experience from 40 plus years ago.